Life lessons learned through experience? Debts can ruin your life. Don't get me wrong, there are good and bad debts. Try to avoid bad debts as much as you possibly can. Differentiate between friends and acquaintances. They are not the same thing. Love yourself first. It's not cool to spend the whole of your life with a person you hate. Set standards. This will keep mediocre people away from your life. Read a lot. By this you will become a better decision maker, increase your personal value, and open doors that were otherwise not accessible. Listen to yourself more. Trust your own intuition and don't allow your life to be based on the opinions of other people. Visit new places and meet new people. You meet interesting people and learn a lot from traveling. Theirs is more to life than you think. Avoid social media at all cost. It can waste a lot of your time on top of allowing people to fake lives and making you feel unworthy. Be humble. Regardless of your financial status, try to remain humble and respect others. You can't live in this world on your own. Practice gratitude. I know you don't have everything that your heart desires, but that's not a reason for you to keep complaining and asking for more. Even life itself is a gift from God.